June 21st. Take a look at the beehives. It's later in the evening right now, so they're not as active as they could be, but what do I do? Shut it off? See if we can get some sound. Should have brought my mic. You know what you gotta worry about out here is the damn mosquitoes. And the bears. I do have a bear that comes and visits us every first week of July. Sometimes they'll knock it over. He chewed up a small hive I had one day. If you're 45 or older, talk to your doctor, get a colonoscopy. Hurts less than a bee sting.